To change or update an existing video link in your Canvas course, first do the following. Click the title of the video to get to the Rich Content Editor. Click Edit. Highlight the title in the content area and click the Remove Link icon. Locate the video in the appropriate department's HSU Canvas Media Library and find the movie title. It should look like this. Highlight and copy the link for the video that is below the title. Go to your class Canvas site, highlight the title in the content area, and select the Link to URL button. Paste the video link into the Link to Website URL window that pops up, and then hit Insert Link. Fill in or check the appropriate fields for your class. Make sure to click Save and Publish. From here, you can launch and view the video. Students should be advised that their HSU user account is required in order to have access to the Canvas videos. Students who request to view videos within a Canvas course from a non-HSU email account will not be allowed access to the videos. For other information and helpful links, visit our Posting Video to Your Canvas site page in the HSU Canvas Media Library. If you need extra help, go to the Information Technology Services webpage at its.humboldt.edu and click Submit a Ticket for the ITS Support Request form. Fill out the necessary fields and under Topics choose Media Production. Then submit your form.